Depending on the size of the wheel rims you have chosen, your new Renault Captur comes with either a spare wheel or a tyre inflation kit to get you moving again in the event of a puncture. To be able to carry out a repair with the tyre inflation kit, the gash must not be on the sidewall of the tyre and must be less than 4 mm on the tyre tread. Important: the tyre inflation kit provides a temporary repair by allowing you to plug and reinflate a punctured tyre. Before using the tyre inflation kit, park your vehicle away from the traffic, turn on your hazard warning lights, and do not forget to apply your parking brake. For safety reasons, if you have to remain at the roadside, it is essential to warn other road users by means of a warning triangle or any other system that is in force in the country where you are driving. Retrieve the kit from the boot. To assist you, refer to the information present on the compressor of the tyre inflation kit. Depending on the model, connect the bottle inflation adapter to the valve of your wheel. Then, connect or screw the compressor pipe to the bottle. And finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessory socket. Note the tyre pressure indicated on the driver's side door frame. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor until it reaches this pressure. If after 15 minutes a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached, the repair is not possible. On the other hand, if the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. Stow the kit, then drive at between 12 and 37 miles per hour or 20 and 60 kilometers per hour so that the product is distributed uniformly in the tyre. After 2 miles or 3 kilometers of driving, stop to check the pressure. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than that recommended, adjust it again. Otherwise, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a Renault representative. Important: this repair is temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour and travel a distance of no more than 124 miles or 200 kilometers. It is essential to have your tyre repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible. If your vehicle is not fitted with a tyre inflation kit but with a spare wheel, in the event of a puncture, park away from the traffic on level, non-slippery and stable ground. Apply the parking brake and engage a gear. Place the lever at P if your vehicle has an automatic gearbox. If parking at the roadside, do not forget to warn other road users of your presence with the warning triangle. To access the spare wheel, remove the mobile floor and the boot carpet. You can set off again. Be careful, however, not to exceed the speed shown by the label affixed to the wheel. This wheel is temporary. You should replace it as soon as possible. Happy driving with new Renault Captur!